Hello student, here are some basic theorems which are satisfied by the Boolean algebra. All the notes in PDF form are given at Google Classroom. You can see notes there. Here we are seeing the properties satisfied the Boolean algebra. First is idempotent law, that is a plus a is equal to a dot a is equal to a. Boundedness law, a plus 1 is equal to 1, a dot 0 is equal to 0. Absorption law, a plus a dot b is equal to a, or a dot a plus b is equal to a. Associative law, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a dot b plus c, a dot b plus c. Uniqueness of the complement law, if a plus x is equal to 1, then a dot x is equal to 0 and x will be a dash. Involution law, a dash whole dash is equal to a, 0 dash is equal to 1, 1 dash is equal to 0. De Morgan's law, that will be a plus b ka dash is equal to a dash dot b dash, a dot b dash, a dash plus b dash. Here our aim is to tell you some information about the given laws. These all laws are used to prove the Boolean functions, Boolean algebra, and also in the K-maps. So we will see the use of these laws in the proof of some Boolean expressions. Here question is given, prove that in a Boolean algebra B for a b belonging to b, a plus 1 is equal to 1, a plus a dot b is equal to 1. We will understand the proof of the given equation 1. As we know that a plus 1 is equal to a plus 1 dot 1. Now 1 will be replaced by a plus a dash. We also know about this law. This law is called complement law. We are using complement law to prove the given system. Now a plus 1 dot a plus a dash, by distribution law we know that a dot 1 plus a dash can be expressed in the form of this, a plus 1 dot a plus a dash. So by using distribution law this can be reduced in this form. We know that 1 dot a dash will be a dash and a plus a dash will be 1, which is the proof of our given algebra. Similarly, second proof can be understand. Here we are taking the right hand side of the equation and we will show it in the form of left hand side. A is equal to a dot 1, 1 can be written 1 plus b, a dot 1 plus b. Now applying distribution law, a dot 1 plus a dot b will be a plus a dot b. So this is the simple application of the distribution law which can be easily understand. Here are one more theorem which we have seen in our quiz test, known as the De Morgan's law. We know that based on the two operations plus and dot, De Morgan's law can be expressed in two forms. First is a plus b dash is equal to a dash plus b dash, and second is a dot b dash is equal to a dash plus b dash. Now here we will prove De Morgan's law with the help of the inverse law, inverse theorem. We know that if a dot b is equal to identity, this implies a inverse is equal to b, or b is equal to a inverse. A dot b, if a dot b is equal to 1, then a inverse is equal to b, or b is equal to a inverse. So to show the De Morgan's law, we will use this form of the theorem. Here we have to show that a plus b dash is equal to a dash b dash. Now we will take a plus b plus a dash b dash is equal to 1. If it will be 1, then we can say that a plus b dash is equal to a dash into b dash. Now following this theorem, we will take a plus b plus a dash b dash. Here a plus b plus a dash dot a plus b plus b dash by distribution law. Here the sign is same, plus here, and we will use the associative law, b plus a dash a b plus b plus b dash. We will use here complement law, that will be a plus a dash will be 1 and b plus b dash will be 1. So it will be b plus 1 a plus 1. B plus 1 will be 1 and a plus 1 will be 1, and 1 dot 1 will be 1. Since a plus b dot a dash into b dash is equal to 1, so we can write a plus b dash is equal to a dash plus b dash. Now we are showing it also for the least element, a plus b dot a dash b dot. Similarly we can show it for the second operation known as the dot operation, that will be 0. Since both the operations are satisfied, so a dash b dash will be a plus b whole dash. Thank you.